Hi, just making a video on how to install the SE-500MU app on the Windows machine. Um, Usually with this videos, we usually like to link the firmware or the application with the video. But if for some reason we don't link it and we just send you the video, I'll show you where to go in the video as well. But normally, again, we do usually send you the link, but just in case, if you do not have the link with it, go to datavideo.com. So open up the web browser. And if you do have the link, you would just go ahead and skip this portion and just go to where I already have it downloaded. I would look over the extraction portion, just that way you know you're doing the extraction portion correctly, okay? So I'm just gonna go to Datavideo, the homepage. When you go to datavideo.com, you would go to the homepage. You would go right here in this right corner where it shows the magnifying glass. If you're minimized, it would look like this. And you have the three lines here, and you just click on the three lines, okay? And do your search here. For now, I am gonna do full screen. And I'm gonna close this and hit the magnifying glass over here. Go ahead and type out SE-500 and press enter after. So once you press SE-500, it will take you here. Do note this is a legacy product, so support for this is limited. Essentially, whatever we have on our website is all we have, and it will no longer get any support for it or updated firmwares and stuff like that. Okay, just keep that in mind. So you keep scrolling down, and you will see legacy products, and you would see the SE-500MU. Okay, we're gonna click on the MU. And then from here, you have the product page. Just go to downloads here. Okay, where you're gonna go for the application is software, okay? This video is specifically for Windows. So when you go to software, we're gonna go ahead and click on the PC app version. Go ahead and click on this, and it's gonna automatically start to download. Go ahead and show in folder. If that doesn't show there, then go to your File Explorer at the bottom, which I'll do that now. From File Explorer, you would want to go to Downloads. And you can see it's currently zipped right now. What you want to do is right click and extract all. If extract all is not here, if you click on it, extract all should be right there as well. Go ahead and extract all. Extract. And it would open another window. Go into there. Once you go into there, there's one more zipped folder, and you will need to extract this as well. Extract all. So you'll have to extract twice. Extract the first time, opens up a window, go into that folder, then extract the second time. Then you'll have here SE-500MU app. Go ahead and go to this folder, and what you're going to look for is the SE-500MU controller EXE. Go ahead and double click on that. More info, run anyway. If this is your first time installing, you get to choose your option, okay? I'm going to choose the first one, which is the MU control. If you need the PC control, click on the PC control. But I will show you how to get to this again after, okay? So for now, I'm gonna do control for the MU, press OK. Application will open and goes to here. You will notice if you close the app and reopen it again, it's gonna take you back to this module as well. So I'm gonna close the app, reopen. It's not going to ask me which one I want to choose again. It's going to go straight to the last application you chose. That is the way that they operate. They made this. This is the way it does operate. If you want to go back and choose the other one, you would have to go to the menu. Go to setup here on the right. Then you would go scroll all the way down. Reselect app type. Reselect once. Hit OK. Close app. Double click to open it again, and then you could choose your other selection. Same concept, you click the second one, press OK, and if you close the app, it's going to reopen back to this portion of it as well. So again, if you want to change it, you go to menu, setup, scroll down, reselect once, press OK, close the app, reopen, and it gives you the option here. Hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, just let us know.